what I do. That's who I am. Running is all I know or want or care about. It was a race around the soccer field in 3rd grade that swept me into a real love of running. Breathing the sweet smell of spring grass. Sailing over dots of blooming clover. Beating all the boys. After that, I couldn't stop. I ran everywhere, raced everyone. I loved the wind across my cheeks, through my hair. Running aired out my soul. It made me feel alive. And now, I'm stuck in this bed, knowing I'll never run again.